Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to create and connect a local LLM with n8n. So guys, firstly make sure to download the application of Ollama first on your PC. So just press on download it and install. So as you can see on the right side of the screen, I'm already running it. And after that we will need to pull up our command line and type in a few commands. Let us do that. Okay, and now guys, in here, type in Ollama, pool, and insert the model, Ollama 3, like that. And now, as you can see, it's going to download our model, so let us wait for that. Okay, as you can see, now it's starting to pull, which is great, just wait. And now, as you can see, success. And now just type in Ollama serve. Okay, and now just insert a URL of your model. And now guys, in our n8n dashboard, you just need to create a new workflow. So press on plus, and now in here, choose Ollama model. Also create a new credential. And as you can see, this is going to be our local host. And now also add a chat model node. So for that, once again, you click plus. Then you type in Ollama again and choose chat model, Ollama account. Also in the settings, you can choose the nodes. Okay, and this is pretty much done, guys. This is how you connect. As you can see, we have our chat message, we have our LLM chain. Everything is now set up and working. If you enjoyed this video, press like on it and subscribe. See you soon.